ازيكم kaggle notebook not saving. How to fix this? Let's go. I cannot save. Not saved. You have to go in each cell and run alone. So this one run here. So maybe there's some errors. So each cell you have to run alone. After running this one, go to the next one and run and discover the errors and solve the errors. If you solve the errors, so there will not be in you are sure there are not any error, and then you can save. So one of this is sitting here. You have to turn on internet, and this the one goes. So you have to try again. Now working, no error. The next one here, no error. Here, no error. This one, also no error. This notes, it will affect the problem. Here also, this one is the biggest. And here also, no errors here. Okay. So now we save. It should be saved. Okay. Now it's running here. It's running here. You have to wait until finish. If it's not saved, it will give you error here. You have to fix the error.